Okay, everybody sit down. All right, here we go. Okay. All right, we are at our stopping point. Our next way we're going to go here is we got to set a destination. Full self-driving is a beta version. That means that I must be in control, which I am. I have to have my hand on the steering wheel. I have to pay attention what's going on. This is a training session for the full self-driving beta software. There's thousands of us beta drivers that must pay attention since we've given the ability to take the car full self-driving. The car knows a lot, and however, I am taking it in places probably no other beta testers have taken the car at all. All right, so let's take this for a ride here. I'm going to set a place here. Essentially, I'm not sure exactly where I am. Let's see here. I'm going to drive down by my buddy's house. He lives down here someplace. Tell you what we're going to do. We're going to go just this place here. I'm going to put my finger on the map, unknown location, and we are going to navigate to that unknown location. So here we are, 7.1 miles, 10 minutes duration, and I think we're ready to try it. So next thing you do, you treat it just like you would full self-driving regular without the beta. You put your foot on the brake, you go ahead and put it into drive, and you can see the animation. Let me get this screen off here. You can see the animation and the predicted path. You can see here on the map it wants us to go this way. Let's see. All right, here we go. All right. Yep, you better sit down, Hanky. Go on. Go sit down. We'll set the speed here for 40. See, it slows down in sharper turns. Again, I'm not driving. I got my hand on the wheel. This hand's here and this hand's here. Now, one of the things you'll notice with full self-driving, when the lines here are very sharp, then it's very confident in seeing where the ends of the lines go. So let's just see how this works out. I've not done this before. Got Luna and Hank in the back. Nice smooth driving through here. Yep, you got to make sure you have your hand on it. All right, we're going to be coming up around this corner here to a four-way stop. It's actually a road with two stops. That makes any sense. We have a stop sign and the road on our right has a stop sign. So let's see where it's going to take us. Where are we going? Yeah. Hold on, Hanky. It didn't like that. I think it was a little confused. Let's try again here. All right, here we go again. You okay? Can be a wild ride here on these twisty turny roads. Let's get speed up to 40. City streets are one thing, back road twisty roads are another. Now, one of the people asked me, why are you doing this? Well, being an experienced driver with over 80,000 Tesla miles, and I've purchased full self-driving as early as my Model X, which was a 2017, I've been wanting to test full self-driving, and I've volunteered to join the full self-driving beta test team. And that's exactly what I'm doing. Essentially, I'm training the neural net and the software to recognize all sorts and kinds of roads. It's exactly what we're on. We're on a 2-lane back road. It is Sunday afternoon, about 3:20 p.m. And we're driving along here at 45, the posted speed. Not a lot of traffic, however, there are some windy roads, so this is going to be interesting in the training process to see how this works. We're going to experience all kinds of anomalies. Whoa, get over there, buddy. I took that. The guy was over in our lane, as you saw. That's country driving for you. I'm pretty sure that most of these people should stay on their side of the road, but for whatever reason are all over the place. The car started moving to the right, but I took it over just to be safe. Remember, I am the safety driver and the training officer here for the beta software. So I've got to make sure that the beta software is driving properly. And that guy was in our lane and he moved over. It's real common here in the country that people are all over the road. Now, a lot of this may be boring to you, but you've seen all kinds of beta people testing cars in big city traffic, and while there is an awful lot of stuff going on, people, bicycles, cars, you name it, out here we don't have that much. However, we've got lots of weird, twisty roads that do things, trees that are in the road, who knows what. We're coming to the end of a road called Penile now, and I'm going to lower the speed to 40 just because. Gal walk into her mailbox, it looked like. And we got somebody here on the right. Let's see if we see them. And we do, but she's way off the road. We were way on the left side of the lane. When it comes to pedestrians, the software tends to err on the side of the pedestrian to make sure we're plenty of distance between and that we don't drive fast near them. All right, we look at the map here. We've got looks like Highway 9 coming up here.
Better left onto Turner Road.
All right, so let's see how it handles this. This is actually a reworked road up here. The road used to go to the right. It's no longer there. That's this section here. And now we'll go over to the left. Should handle that fine.
Left onto Turner Road.
And here's Turner Road. Yep, stay on the road.
Now turn right onto South North Carolina Highway 9.
Okay, we got our blinker on. Now this is almost a rake angle to our left. As you can see, it's more than 90 degrees. And it's taking its time. I'm watching myself here. And I see nobody to the left. And I see nobody to the right. I'm going to give it a little go ahead here with the pedal to say that it's okay. And we're up to 50. Yeah, we don't need to be doing 50. Let's do it 45. Here comes a motorcycle. There goes a motorcycle. So it did a good job of pulling out, and it would have crept until it got straighter and then accelerated. Or I, as the training guy, can tell it it's okay by giving a little accelerator. And we have a intersection here with stop signs on the left and the right. It tends to be a pretty busy intersection. Yep, you guys just chill out here. Yes, it's okay. You can go. I was a little cautious there. I told it was okay with the accelerator pedal. Just sit down, boy. Lay down. Yeah, we're doing a little slowy things. I think it sees this balloon hanging here. This is interesting.
In 1
See that?
mile,
There was a
turn left onto Horn
balloon
Road.
we passed by. Looked like somebody's birthday. My buddy Phil lives right here on the left. We're going past his house down the street. Now I know the car reverts to standard autopilot when it's on a highway. I hope it doesn't consider Highway 9 here a highway. It's hard for me to tell. And I know Horn Road is up here on the left.
Now turn left onto Horn Road.
And here comes a truck, so we're gonna wait and make our left. Yep, keep coming around. Yeah, perfect.
In 500 feet, your destination will be on the right.
Well, how about that? We are at our destination almost here. And then when we get there...
Now your destination is on the right.
All right, well, that's as hard as it is, okay? So let me turn around here. So it's been an interesting day. The full self-driving did quite well. It had some little weirdnesses, but as you know, the way the software works is the experiences by all the vehicles that are testing it is fed back to the computer in California and trains up the neural net, and the artificial intelligence software now knows things that it did wrong, how to do it better, and then the 10,000 or more beta test cars instantly gain that knowledge, and it's just very cool. If you like this video, click the like, click subscribe, and don't forget to click that bell icon to not miss anything going forward. Thanks for riding along. Take care, and I'll look for you in the next one.